Being here at the International Compliance Conference in London is critical.
And this is a great forum because not you're learning, but you're also teaching.
It brings value to the corporation. I would recommend this conference to all my peers.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to London.
This conference is a one-of-a-kind opportunity for members of our companies and members of trade associations around the world to come together and talk about compliance, talk about best practices. You know, today science transcends national boundaries. The issues that we're talking about today are issues of importance around the globe, providing a framework for interactions between companies and physicians. And this meeting is a great opportunity for companies to come together and exchange ideas and best practices.
I think the most important part about ethical collaboration is about creating a level playing field. It's about ensuring that companies at whatever size, level and whatever jurisdiction they're operating in are operating on a level playing field to the same rules. And those rules are above criticism.
I think the AdvaMed, the UCAMED and indeed my own association, the Association of British Healthcare Industries codes are extremely important. In fact, when you read them, they're very similar in their desire to make it give clear and very open guidance to organizations.
I think the conference is going extremely well. It just started off, but you know, I attended last year's conference, and really the collaboration between the companies, the value behind the exercise of understanding exactly what compliance is and how we're going to impact it on a global nature is outstanding.
The statement that we're all signing today, I think, speaks to the importance of compliance on a global basis. Again, science transcends national boundaries, innovation transcends national boundaries. What this statement says is that we're going to come together, we're going to prioritize compliance activities, and we're going to have joint programming.
The Global Compliance Statement follows on from a transatlantic compliance statement which was signed between AdvaMed and UCAMED last year. It's designed very much to bring more parties, more geographies into the fold and ensure that the standards that we expect the industry to operate by are consistently applied globally.
It is important for the industry, for our associations to come together and define an agenda where compliance and ethical behavior is the centerpiece of it.
Well, ethical collaborations are extremely important to our company because it really stresses the value throughout the organization. It really stresses why our reputation is paramount. So ensuring that we have ethical collaborations ensures that we understand what we must do with our healthcare practitioners.
The presence of CEOs in compliance congresses such as this in London is immediate evidence that the subject of compliance is of the highest priority to management.
Only at a conference like this are you able to talk with your peers and get a sense of what is going on in compliance. What IT solutions have been effective to track payments? What type of policies are going to be embraced by a sales force? And as you walk here today, you'll see compliance professionals sharing their experiences and their solutions with each other. That's why this is such a valuable experience.
I would invite, every CEOs of medical device company to come here to really figure out, what's going on and see, what the industry is facing as a challenge, moving forward. What is that stack? But also, how could that, challenge could be turned into a type of, opportunity? Because that's a very strategic aspect that the CEOs and all the management will have to drive moving forward for their companies.
There's always something new. Sharing, learning, understanding, and coming together to collaborate. Absolutely crucial for the future development of the industry and its interaction with healthcare professionals and government.
I think it's great. I mean, look around. There's a lot of energy here. The conference has grown. We started 4 years ago. The conference has really matured. We have high caliber speakers, terrific exchange of ideas. So it's the place to be.